Hey everybody, Kerry from BabS Bead Warehouse here. Another Sunday, another deal, another itchy skull. Couple things we want to talk about on our website. We're kind of changing things a little bit. You'll take a look. We'll go and video it here on our website. Under the shopping, there's a sale tab. Special tab. It says specials on it. That's where all our specials are going to be. Anything that's discounted is going to be in that tab. And anytime we discount something now, it's only for a week. I know I've been kind of lazy and leaving the stuff up for a month, a year, 6 months, whatever. It's just too long to have something like that and then have the inventory in the store not match the inventory online. And things sell in the store quite quickly, and it may not be online anymore. And I just need to track things better. And the best way is you click on the specials. That is everything that is on sale online, also in sale on the store. So again, only for a week. There may be a couple items that will do a little bit longer, but generally for a week, because no rule is actually a rule. Now I'm going to leave the Tahitian pearls up there for another week till next week, till the 11th, which is Bab's birthday. Don't tell her I told you that. And you still have a chance to buy a strand for $150. After that, it's going to go back to $200. Most of the items will be going back to their original price. I just can only do this stuff for a week. Okay. Next, we're going to be showing today, I've got gemstone slices that are center drilled, and some tourmaline. That's what we're going to have on sale this week. They're going to be 50% off. Order it online. If you have trouble ordering it online, send me an email. We can always send you a PayPal invoice if you don't want to order directly online. We can take credit cards over the phone. I don't like doing that. I really don't want to actually have your credit card number in our store. I don't want to store that. I don't want to have to worry about that. When it's done electronically, it gets scrambled, and that way nobody has access to it that we know. So order it online. Again, email me. We'll send you a PayPal link for it. A lot of our stuff can sell very fast. So if you want it, you like it, move quickly to get it, because it will sell fast. And some things just don't sell at all. At any price. Sometimes I've got some beads that I think I can give away, and nobody would take them. Sometimes I just don't buy right. But most of the time we get it right. So here we go. We're going to show you now what is available. What is the special of the week? All right, here we go. The first special is going to be lapis. And I just love slices. These are 16 inches long. That's a good picture. I'm going to have to use that for the website. And the price on these, I'm not wearing my glasses. They look like $32. So half that'll be, let me get my glasses out. I'm fumbling here. All right. So $32, that would be $16 a strand for the lapis. Remember, you spend over $50, you get free shipping. Ooh, here's the deal. Is this Amazonite? This is Amazonite. This is $24, so it'll be on sale for $12 a strand. Oh, that's some crazy pricing there. Again, 16-inch strands. The next is the mixed beryl. This is always a favorite. This is aquamarine and golden beryl and some morganite in there. This is 28, so it'll be $14 a strand. then last, this is tourmaline. We all love tourmaline. This is some nice tourmaline for the price. You see how nice that is? I know they're chips, but they're not really chips. They're bigger than chips. They're extra large chips or largish chips. But best of all is the price. Let's see, what is the price? $24, so $12 a strand. Boy, this video is real well. $24, $12 a strand. That's going to sell real fast. That's going to sell real fast. $12 a strand. All right, that's all I got for you. In there, what is there? 4 different beads. Again, this will only be on sale for a week. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Got a lot of nice beads. That tourmaline on sale for $12 a strand. That should get out of here pretty quickly. Remember, this deal is just for 1 week. If you like what we do here, and if you want to see our videos when we drop them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There'll be a little logo of us somewhere around here, up here, I think over here. Our logo that it's popping up right now. Click on it so you can go and subscribe to our channel. And that's it for today, you guys, or for this week. Although I might have some stuff later in the week. You know, I do drop some stuff from time to time. You guys have a great day.